Hello, good afternoon. My name is Iris Cesar from E001, and this is my activity in PE Crim 1. This is my brief lecture about the Philippines criminal justice system. The Philippines criminal justice system is a multifaceted framework designed to maintain law and order, prevent and control crimes, and administer justice. So here's an overview of components. Components of the Philippines criminal justice system, we have law enforcement, prosecution, court, correction, community, and lastly, key principle and challenges. So first, law enforcement composed of agencies like the Philippines National Police, or in short PNP, and National Bureau of Investigation, or short for NBI, and the Philippines Drug Enforcement Agency, or in short PDEA. Also responsible for crime prevention, investigation, and arrest of suspects. Also must uphold constitutional procedure such as warrant, requirements, and rights of accused during arrest. Next, prosecution. Prosecution led by the National Prosecution Service under the Department of Justice, or in short DOJ, also handle preliminary investigation, determine probable cause, and prosecute cases in court. Also guided by the principle of prima facie case before proceeding to trial. So next, we have court. Court includes lower courts, metropolitan trial courts, regional trial courts, and higher courts or courts of appeal, and Supreme Court. Dispenses justice by adjudicating guilt or innocence, imposing penalties, and ensuring due process. Supreme Court has the power to interpret the Constitution and strike down law or executed action by the violate constitutional guarantees. Correction. Correction comprises institutions like the Bureau of Correction, or in short BUCOR, for National Penitentiaries, and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology for BJMP, or city and municipal jails. And also, correction aims to administer penalties, rehabilitate offenders, and prepare them for the reintegration into society. Also, correction offers programs like vocational training, education, counseling to support rehabilitation. So next, community. So community plays a vital role in preventing crime, reintegrating offenders, and supporting victims. Includes local government units, non-governmental organization, faith-based group, and family network. Community-based program focus on mediation, reconciliation, and also reintegration. So lastly, we have key principle and challenges. Number 1, philosophical. Philosophical foundation. The system is rooted in retribution, deterrence, rehabilitation, and restorative justice, aiming to balance public safety with individual rights and due process. So next, we have constitutional underpinnings. The 1987 Constitution guarantees fundamental rights such as due process, presumption of innocence, and protection from unreasonable searches and seizure. Next, and lastly, challenge. Congestion in court and correctional facilities, human rights concern, access to legal aid, and corruption within the judiciary are ongoing issues that require reform and to improve. So this is my activity in PE Crim 1. Again, my name is Iris Cesar from E001, and that's all. Thank you.